but it is all good. So this is first day of real filming. I'm learning a lot. But we are on the road, so we're gonna throw it into sport mode. We're going to turn off the traction control there. And so I was actually gonna take a left here, but I'm actually gonna go right because I wanna show y'all the mountain road that I found. So that's what we are going to do. Kind of hoping and praying that it's gonna be a good camera setup. The funny thing is, man, I look so goofy with this thing on my head. Like I wish I could really show that, but I've had some issues with the last videos and just the camera being really frustrating. So I think I got it all figured out now. Gonna rip it past those kids just so they have a smile. But yeah, we're actually gonna go up the mountain today. We are gonna do a little mountain drive. The sun is setting. It's about 6:40. You can hopefully see there. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out today up there and see what's shaking. See what's shaking. Best we can. I gotta wait for this fella. Okay. Ooh, anyway, here we go, man, up the mountain. Just trying to figure out the best kind of paths and stuff, and hopefully I can make this enjoyable for you guys as much as I can. If you can hear that, sounds like almost a cricket. That's my cold air intake. So anyway, I think this is going to be probably my first post. So a little bit about the car. It's a 2015 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus. So the trim is just better and more fancy. One tip I want to give you guys, man, if you enjoy your car, just enjoy it, love it. Don't let anyone else, take that enjoyment away from you. Because, man, cars are great, man, and they're a tool, and they should be a tool to lift each other up. So anyway, check out these mountains, man. Check out these hills up here. I love this area out here. This is one of my favorite drives actually to do. I think I just go straight here. Welcome to the mountains out here. I don't know where y'all live, but out here, man, it's mountain country. But I love it out here, man. I love the mountains. I love the temperature. As you guys can see, it is 61 degrees. We got snow up on the mountains still, but man, it's just such a good temperature out here. I guess I can open this. I don't know if y'all you can probably see out there. I really don't have it open all that much just because I'm not really a sunroof person. It's cool, but it's all good. It's all good. I really hope that my camera looks good. I'm trying to invest in a better camera setup so that I can film better POVs. But right now it's just kind of as it is, you know what I mean? And trying to, yeah, this is something I love, man. I love cars. I love driving. I should keep that window down. Don't look at the gross window. I just washed it too, man, but because I roll them up and down so much, it gets a little funky. I should have driven on that road down there. It's all good though. It's all good. There you go. There's a pretty good look. Just so you know, I'm looking at the road. I'm just facing the camera that way so y'all can see it. I hope you could see more this time. My last video kind of failed and it zoomed in and it shouldn't have zoomed in, and like, yeah, a little bit of a pain in the tuchus. But hey man, not letting it slow me down, you know? Problems occur every day. There's a good look, kinda. I'll stop up here and get out just so y'all can have a look, and then we're gonna continue on the cruise and head home and yeah, just enjoy the night really. But we'll give y'all a look-see. Oh, hello road, bumpy. At least just pull off. I might not get out, but might just pull off real quick so y'all can really see. Because man, I love it up here. This is a road I often drive just because, I mean, look at this. I mean, come on. Look at this. I mean, come on. You can't make it up, man. Like, this is so pretty up here. I love it so much. This is actually kind of like a car meet spot where a bunch of people come and meet up and check it out. Yeah, look at that. Super pretty. That's the Salt Lakes out there. It's a great place. It's a great place. But yeah, I think we're gonna keep going. I want to do some point of view hikes up here, so we'll kind of see about that. But for now, we mobbing. Okay, this person is just totally in the way. I'm not really ripping on her too bad because there's just no point, like, you know what I mean? But look, we got a bunch of little meeting over there. A meeting of the elders. Sorry. It's funny, dude. Like, old people they meet in the road, man. They're like, nah, it's fine, bro. We'll just meet right here. Might be able to slide it a little bit here, but I don't necessarily. I might. We'll see. It might be a treat for you. We'll see. Who knows? A little bit of a slide for you. It's been a minute since I've done that, but oh my goodness, that sun, we're gonna have to roll that up. Hey man, one tip if I can give you guys, sorry if I'm yelling. I forget that it's so easy for you to hear me. One tip if I could give you, man, black your windows out, not the front. So my two sides are blacked out. They got tint, and then my back is tinted out. It keeps the temperature in here so much better. Going a little quick, slow it down a little bit here. It keeps the temperature like way better, right? So it's not as hot and it's not as cold in the winter. It's so good. And it's just privacy, man. Like, I feel more private in here, and like, you know what I mean? Like, people aren't just staring in, and like, yeah, get tint. It is worth the time investment and the money investment. Whether you get it done professionally or not, you want to make sure it's done and looks good. If I could suggest, I would get the back windows professionally tinted, because that's one that you're gonna struggle the most with. These side ones, you could probably do yourself pretty easily. I'm grateful when I bought this car, someone already blacked it all out for me, so I'm lucky. But if you're not, then you know what you gotta do. I apologize if that sun is super bright. Kind of yeah, we'll see on the video. Hopefully my phone just blocks it out and looks good. Oh, I'm mobbing. Something I like to do, I like to slow down and then let off my brake. So I go on my brake hard and then I let off. Just kind of saves your brake a little bit so you're not burning through it as fast. You know, because it's the temperature, you know. You go hold it hard on it and then let off. Oh, that sun, I'm gonna have to do that. It's gonna make my view even smaller. But another tip, if you're looking for like a muscle car, Camaros, man, their windows are real small. I've driven some of those as well as Corvettes, man, their windows are real small. So me being a big guy, man, it's like really, really rough. Oh, it looks like they have to stop. Throw it back to sport mode now that I'm not going down the hill. Yeah, I'm excited to see how this video is gonna look. But pretty good so far, man. I'm liking this so far. Ugh. Beautiful, man. I don't even know if this is helping. Oh, it is. It definitely was. I think you guys can see my hands a little bit better. I don't think you can see my bottom hand, but man, trial and error with this. Trial and error. I'm gonna tilt it a little far forward and just see. I mean, I can see in the camera, I can see the bottom of my hands. So I hope that it's good and that you can see like everything out here, you know what I mean? There's a lot of people around. They're gonna be like, look at this weirdo with this stuff on his face. Yep, I got a big old thing on my face. What do you want, man? I'm trying to record things. Oh look, there's a charger. He's like, what the fuck is that guy doing? It's just hot, man. This thing is like, oh goodness, no, I am not stopping. I've noticed a lot of more people looking at me with this thing on my face. Cause it's big, man, and it's a giant phone like on your forehead. Screwed. We're gonna roll the windows up just a little bit. Oh, that was that bike. Oh, that's, nope. Gotta keep that up. I wish I can't. It's right here. All right, we'll see. We'll see how this video goes. I mean, if it's uploaded, then it looks good. So, hello. Yeah, we'll see. Don't really need that on. Oh my, hello, officer. Goodness, bro. Look, he's in a Dodge though, a Durango. Nice, man, nice. Not gonna rip it past the cop. The cop just passing, you know. Man, I need to, it sucks because during the day, man, this tunnel's usually so busy, so I can't like rip it through, especially because I got someone behind me. But hope that was a little better. I love ripping it through that tunnel. One of my favorite things to do, man, is rip it through that tunnel. If you got a car and it's loud, you know. Mine's not even that loud too. There's still some stuff that I want to do to the exhaust to make it even louder. Like I'm planning on getting a new resonator, because the OEM one's just kind of meh. It's not like it's bad or anything, like, but yeah, it could be better.